So following from one of my previous videos where I fit an AliExpress plug socket, and I had also ordered a light switch which didn't end up fitting because my back boxes for my single light switches, like that one on the wall, are 35mm deep, which is quite shallow, but that's quite typical for a newer build house, which means a lot of these fancier switches won't fit. So I ordered a different design. This one is like a touch switch and it was very cheap. It was about £3.80. I'll leave a link in the description. It's not smart or anything. I didn't want a smart one. Just a nice kind of fancy switch with a light on it, just for reasons. And I know that that's unlikely to fit. So I also ordered a pack of these, which are back box extensions, back box extenders, I guess you would call them, or surrounds maybe, which basically push the light switch out from the wall by, in this case, 10mm. These were also very cheap. Can't remember how much I paid, but I got a pack of 4. They might have been like £1 each or something crazy. But let's just unbox these two and see what we got. And there we are. So nothing to say about this really. I've just explained what it is, and you get the screws with it, which is cool. You also get screws with the new switch, and as you can see, it's quite beefy, so that's not really going to fit in many typical back boxes, but we'll see how we get on. And you get a small little manual, and this capacitor here, if your LED light, which is connected to this switch, starts flashing. I'm hoping I won't need to use this, but we'll have to wait and see, I suppose. So I'm going to get it hooked up and give it a go. And there you go. I must say, that was very easy. Now, I did accidentally order a one-way switch, not a two-way, so this is in my bedroom as opposed to the living room where I intended to put it. But you get this very subtle glow when it's off, and then turn it on, you get this subtle glow as well. And there you go. I've not bought a light shade yet. So yeah, still got the protective film on. Let's just peel that bad boy off. Most satisfying part. Yeah, I've got to say I'm pretty happy with that. I think it was about £4. You might have to do a tiny bit of decorating, just touch in a bit of paint around here. But those extenders work really well. Like they match it perfectly. Only thing I will say is your existing screws that were in the original plate here, they're going to be too short, obviously. And in my case, the supplied ones here that came with this are both too long and a slightly bigger thread, and I didn't really want to retap the lugs on the back box, so I've just ordered a multi-pack of back box screws. So that's not really a big issue, but just something to bear in mind. So that's solid on the wall now, and it really suits the room. Yeah. So yeah, cheers. I would recommend. I'll leave a comment on this video over time, like if the switch fails or whatever, I'll make a note of that. But so far so good, and I've not had to install the little resistor thing because the light isn't flickering, so that's another win. Cheers.